And once the camera connects successfully and the live view appears in the app, your IMOU camera is back online and working normally. Most Wi-Fi connection problems with the IMOU camera are caused by network compatibility issues, incorrect settings, or setup interruptions. If the problem still continues, try resetting the camera. Make sure the camera is powered on, then press and hold the sync or reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Allow the camera to reboot completely and then start the setup process again from the beginning. Another important step is camera placement. During setup, place the camera close to your router so it receives a strong and stable signal. Once the connection is successful, you can move the camera to its final location. You should also ensure the IMOU Life app has all required permissions. Enable location and Bluetooth access on your phone so the app can properly discover and connect to the camera during setup. Next, check your Wi-Fi network details carefully. Make sure the network name and password are correct and not too long. Avoid special characters like brackets, dollar signs, stars, or hashtags. Set your Wi-Fi security to WPA or WPA2, as WPA3 may not be compatible. Also, use Wi-Fi channels 1, 6, or 11 for better stability. Before that, disable VPNs and mobile data on your phone. VPNs and cellular data can interfere with the setup process. Turn off any active VPN and temporarily disable mobile data so your phone stays connected only to Wi-Fi. Most importantly, verify Wi-Fi compatibility. IMOU cameras only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. If your router uses both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under the same network name, temporarily disable the 5 GHz band while setting up the camera. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to fix an IMOU camera not connecting to Wi-Fi using simple and effective steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful camera fixes.